The Midwest winter, a harsh mistress, cold and unforgiving. Here, a mother and her young huddle close to stay warm. The fire offers little reprieve from the elements. Meanwhile, the hearty Midwestern male struggles to keep his family warm.
Wait, who said that?
He should have called the experts at Green Energy Solutions.
I didn't know it was going to quit on me.
But it isn't his fault. He doesn't know Jack.
Hey, now that is totally not called for.
Hi, I'm Jack, master of the heating and cooling arts. If you're having problems with your furnace, like this poor sap, maybe it's time to upgrade to a high-quality system from the experts at Green Energy Solutions. With the best equipment and service around, we'll provide you with a custom heating and cooling system that works for you, so you can keep your climate under control. And that's just one of the services we offer. Big or small, we do it all.
Green Energy Solutions, jacks of all trades, masters of many.
I'm telling you, he was right here.
Mm-hmm.